Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba kejela ukurat sangma negasngi ula play pajba ya ka crèche kabala penyat da kesengken thai maulai nonglum ya kabala mang pisa kerpang na ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund kumba anriu point san paulak tengka habakaran hakani kejingalang balangkon Menteri Rangba ula ai kublai ya kidkhot kesengken thai kabala ai jing sakri ya pajba bat na kalyang kejong ula ong ba sorkar shen kan sasdang ya ka Early Childhood Development Program kaban pai khmat chaki la ka dei ha ka jingmut jing perkhat ni kamet kapat badru ha ka he kasan jongki khna kiba dangchuka hadu prasnem karta u konrad sangma ulakularo baun ai ka jing krishan ya ka senggentai ha ka ban penker kenro ya ka ni ka yeng.
The Executive Committee of the Maulai Nonglum Darbar Shnong reconstituted the Women's Wing and its office bearers and bore a new name as Kasengkenthei Maulai Nonglum. The Sengkenthei Maulai Nonglum has been then entrusted to run the crèche. Before the year 2020, the Maulai Nonglum crèche was operational in the ground floor of the Maulai Nonglum Community Hall. It was in the year 2020 that the Sengkenthei Maulai Nonglum seek permission from the Executive Committee for shifting the crèche to the community hall due to congestion in the ground floor and for a healthier environment. The Executive Committee, without hesitation, granted permission to the Sengkenthei Maulai Nonglum to do the needful.
We just participated in one very beautiful beautification project which we have taken up as a government along with the community. Today, in fact, it's kind of a day when I'm going around Maulai area, and I've been to a number of localities. I just now visited Sir S.D. Kongwil also, so I knew that he wasn't able to come here, so I dropped into his house. I just wished him, and that also took us some time. But it's been a beautiful day, and my first opportunity to really go from locality to locality and interact with the people. I was listening to the President speaking just now, and you'll be happy to know that we are starting a program today. In the cabinet, we'll be passing it. We're calling it Early Childhood Development Program. And this is a program which I think no other state has started this. And the purpose behind this program is to realize and to also focus and put stress on the fact that children grow mentally, emotionally, and in every sense between the age of 0 or between the age of 1 and 8. And therefore, early childhood development and ensuring that they are guided in the right way during that phase is very important. So this is a very unique program. We have got an externally aided funding of close to 300 crores for this program to be done. And it will be in centers like these that these programs will be taken up. So therefore, I will ensure that, and just make a note, Shan, I would request Shan to kindly make a note on this, that we make sure that this should be in the first phase. And so that we can give all the financial support and all the other kind of support that's required to make this happen. But having said that, I really would like to thank all the members who have made this possible. It is such a unique program that you are running, and something I feel other localities should learn. It's a great example that you have set, and I will make sure that I mentioned this today in our cabinet meeting also, and I make sure that we mention it whenever we launch this program at an official level, the kind of work that you're doing out here. And after seeing the kind of work that you're doing, the report that you've put up to me, let me also happily tell you that I will support you for the boundary wall or whatever is required. I don't know what the estimates are, but obviously if it's very high, then I may not be able to do it in one go. Then I will request the MDC also to support. Otherwise, whatever that is there possible within my limits, I will definitely help you. So I will see the place, I will see the memorandum, and then we will give you support, because we have seen the kind of work that you're doing. So I will not take much time. I have a cabinet meeting now, and then I have a border meeting with the Assam Chief Minister at 2 o'clock. I have to rush to Guwahati. So I thank you once again for this wonderful occasion, and I wish each and every one of you the very best for this project. Thank you very much.